Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Thrustmaster Ferrari 548 Spider racing wheel on PC. Alright, let's begin. First, connect the Thrustmaster Ferrari 548 Spider wheel to your PC using the USB cable. If possible, use a USB 2.0 port because it works more reliably with this wheel. Next, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Look for the wheel under Other Devices or Human Interface Devices. It may appear with a warning icon. Now, right-click the wheel and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Scroll down and select Microsoft Common Controller for Windows class. Click Next and choose the Xbox One controller driver. Accept the warning message to continue. After installation, search for joy.cpl in Windows and open it. You should see Xbox One controller for Windows. Open Properties and turn the wheel to confirm input. Finally, open your game and map steering to the left stick. So that's basically how you can use Thrustmaster Ferrari 548 Spider racing wheel on PC. And that's it for this video. Thanks!